This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure WhatsApp is updated and then open it. You want the current UI. Once inside, tap the chat whose media behavior you'll change. Now press the 3 dots or settings gear and head to chats immediately. Make sure your phone settings app is handy to confirm permissions later. This prepares you to toggle autosave options without hunting menus. Act now so the next steps apply to the right chat and device settings. Now you disable media visibility globally or per chat, which stops WhatsApp files from appearing in your gallery. Go to Settings, then Chats, and turn off media visibility to stop automatic gallery saving across all chats. Alternatively, open a specific chat, tap the contact or group name, choose media visibility, and select No to apply only there. On Android, follow up by hiding WhatsApp folders in Google Photos. Finish by confirming changes and cleaning up residual files so the gallery stops showing videos. Once done, restart your phone and clear WhatsApp cache. If old videos still appear, create a No Media file in the WhatsApp Media folder or remove that folder from Google Photos backup. If nothing changes, revoke WhatsApp storage permission in your device settings temporarily, then re-enable only necessary permissions. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific video persists, delete it from WhatsApp and your phone's file manager to force removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.